This service video shows how to install a new top panel lock. Tools needed: a screwdriver, parts needed: a new lock. Remember to unplug the unit from the power source. To remove the old lock, open the top panel and unscrew the screws, nuts, and washers holding the lock. Place the new lock into the opening. Hold it in place. Put the screw in the hole. Slide the washer onto the screw. Screw on the nut. Then repeat with the other screw. Tighten with a screwdriver. The new top panel lock is now installed. It's that simple.